and so asafo no am ususu say ye wo asafo no mo ye wo ebinim wo wa no kan say mo ye disabled and so nyame frɛ wo say kwampa be na wo se ye disafo no so fa so because when ma abrante bi frɛ me adwura o say ne na mienu nyina no o ye disabled ne na mienu nyina na ne na mienu nyina wonam dua ho but atom no wo ho woye mmoa ma asafo no pa nanso asafo no mfa den hwehwe adwuma anko no betimi aye ɔse asafo no wɔ nsuo kura ye ton ɔno betimi atena ho aton nsuo no nanka wonya kakra ye de akɔma abɔnten nsuo ni enti ususu sɛ ɛdeɛ mpa na wɔse ye de safo no fa so
so for me that's mechi atiefo nyina
mame mfa wo ntwa mu atiefo esremo oba ye akoma ye Facebook page ho a ye stream live so ye stream live we Facebook page do betimi about akoma 87.9 FM akoma 87.9 FM akoma 87.9 FM obetimi akọ so ye streaming live ho bibia da na dwam bia da na kwam bohunu abadwafo ati ha nyina kama bohunu abadwafo bibia kama emi timeline no so de me nko na abehu me but wokọ akoma ye Facebook page wo abehu obia ye me ense wo ha nyina abehu obia enti mbacho bre
all right
yemfa link disabled for me
okay disabled past senyame afro
minim sofu bia
good
minim ne bebre sofu oka bible quotation ko ho bako na ho oba preach bibia ho bia ne ne afra oyini frani
yeah
ko
all right okay na evangelist Nick and as a pastor Nick
good Zufunichi will say Vusinich Vusinich
Vusinich
well Australian
evangelist
that's it
yeah now sisiano ono no me say ye wo no sebina oni
sa
nanso ye hwe se ne Nyankopon esi use no ye hwe se ne Nyankopon esi use no
we say we are very fast for computers chain obi an nsa mi
example e wo ho yeah
we say na to no bi kitu abi na tua ho we dey click computer say
a lot na oka pacho oka ya na ono no be si mitim na ye hwe se ne Nyankopon esi use sa papa ya e dey twi akra so for say nipa bisa ewo ministry ni mo na say wonyamedwuma ni mu a empo Nyankopon etimi fa ne so e dey encourage enkrofo na yembra ye local churches imu say yemfa ne nyame afro obi nipa no oni nsa oni nan sebi nani afra na say ekwan bias no nipa ne disable
na me do asafo no kura no oti ohuru sofo yere no sofo ba no obewa sofo ba na sofo no bepene
Asampa.
Wa jese se fusili chipa se ka make pa se ka Ghana ha ena mfa se wo asoru bi mu en wo hunu sofo ba wo so ba wa no sofo ba yi so ampa wo pe no be wa no ene nke asafo ni bedani o ai
asomo
eno ko na iska onyaska
ai
sa obi anko
ko
na sofo pastor Nick Crampo mso on bawo
ware wo man be 5
enti pacho sa kwan ni so no se bia Nyankopon afro obi nipa no e disabled e kwan bi so a ebi krampa minka se ebi krampa nipa na Nyankopon afre no bia enam no so na Nyankopon eba be expand sa ministry no because se Nyankopon afre obi a oye extraordinary and I say oye out of the ordinary yemfa ni obi ti say even Lord Kenya hwe nipa watwe abanyame mu na yemfa on say obi out of the ordinary sana as oba ministry ni mu a sana etimi ehyen nipa bebre nkran awo kwan bebre so enti na me huni say so obi a disabled na Nyankopon etonins efre nipa no o ministry ni mu a message say any kwan say ye bu nipa na bem kwan bi a ebetumi afa so asafo no ebetumi afa so e de aboa nipa na ma nipa no so ebetumi abeka ministry no ho no na Yakopon etimopo ana say Yakopon epe a ope say eba mu no etimi aba etimi sere say Yakopon efre obi a o disabled kra na I was say yehu ni say Yakopon won butaye no butaye na hia pa ni kwan say de nipa sem bia bam butaye na hia pa ntino butaye Yakopon efre nipa no na etimi embre that
na say na mehwe social media na abrantie bi mehu se na mesi aka no why to say woman aya na say ye kekas we nsuo ba say oye say ibi na otonyom
yeah
wow no
yeah
oh my goodness na asaso
onya taxi oye we na buckets na boa no
wow
that's what took a cran no dongs be
na say the osisa no
yes
na osa wa re ya wesu abaka so okote ahwe
na omo ye crusade wa bontin na omo man na platform
Jesus right
me di asofo bi ho ya kakra okuru ma se eja won se ya ye ne se omo sire sika but enye right thing say ni frafo na omo bo band ebire bi tech junction me ba kuma se foforo so fu nim so mutumi chimi gina ho be 3 hours non stop me go school me do tech se me faka no omo bo as me tise omo bo nyum as omo bo copyright CD me do me hu se anifrafo en ebo we no me gina ho be 30 minutes na me se me twa ko en mako other side akofa car ako body junction me do ho me sasa mechi and beje bench etina because anyuma no mo bo no na me
ultimate call
all these people enkasofu bitimi am manage na odi crusades nkwa na odi omoye and because sankofo obi abeso obehwe nipa ko obo san anyoma no obehu se the friendly and ebo
na wo hunu se oro soso mfaso pedu won so
won so o se even class onimbo onim instruments bo kra na se we a men obekwa sorry akusua bibia because sa man me penance to the extent say ni friendly no otonyo olidi odu so mo boregi na ono akotena drums no se dama namba ono akotena drums no he plays and sings at the same time
wow
all but drum ni friendly no or say otonyo no na oto lucky dube nyoma ase lucky dube na gina ho otonyo osom so oto adem na chesi ni petwa ni ho ahia nti na we no ni petwa no de na wo ye sofo a wa twedom na bro
the enthusiasm ma utimi kanya me ase
but say yamasa nkofu we nam na almost restless kasa
onim say nkofo bi so na ato instruments na ma wo mo didi wo mo
yes
am yeses ma wo
yes kuta potentials they can do it
enti ede na asafo no betimi aye ede anya asafo na apie firi asafo no no asaba asafo no bi masem biseni ede na asafo no asoro no betimi aye ama won a wo mo hya ase wo asore dem ho no a wo apie firi asore dem no ye betimi aye na yesa atwo asaba asore dem
so fisi ano meka na say adwuma na boys
because enkachi
yes say adwuma no mo ye nyina no because of daily bread
okay
omo pe bibi adi
okay
even can we say say omo boys na omo nam na omo ye okay no omo ni like they are not disabled they dey chere say omo sika no nya ni na no dem ma nkofu yi
okay
they just buy food for them omo tontare am maybe omo maybe am do ba ku school that's all ano but ubetimi am manage me metal instrument set me software metal instrument set I'm this kind of people my mom baby adam my mom van come do monanti what provide them basic necessities na then every day ntia e mom kwa abontin ko pesika no what provide am you can now use them provide them mom here mom keke
okay
na mom e bia se na wo man instrumentalist na se na wo man
social amenities
yes sika wo wa sorry them provide for these people the same way you no it's going to no more abontin ho nti fom sika no mo pe wa abontin fom mo na use for you program for you crusades e twa kra
at the same time musa won kwan
yes ebe bo mo pa because enwuma nkofo ne to no sa program is na wo kan ho say abante na say nsuo ba no oyewe oh Jesus me hwe program ma ahwose gugu
the way akwan si kura mind
so ko nyame shira no
na chese Oto nyum na opasa so o.
E waka.
Opasa papa. Opasa pa. Na osa beka se otiawe. Wari a obesua ma na ka se eh na obesi opra na osa so anu okoba bi wa yese na se de otiawe aso odi ni TC form no.
Omo makwa na kwanya ma. Mani jisofu no. Mani jisofu no ma guy na kwanya no fe.
There are bibisa o. Talent no ye wo mu awodo bebre. Na ebeye se asafo no bobokwan nia ene kisosumu mabura no. En sorry ntia kisosumu no ebepe se asafo no betimi agi atum. Ma yetimi aye. Eti se a friend say Abrantie Oboyima Oboni nsem Crappy minister. Ocha ase ne nkofo so abodam. E wa asafo no. Minya shuam say na be we sie ni ana yasam of God ni.
Program be because
that's right. Kaka so be lunch ni nyum. No ho. Obekọ wa dress fifie na eba. Boye bebu no. Wa dress fifie na eba. Just wo so wa. Na otimi na chito form. Otimi tina form. Otimi butu form. Na obo ni nsem. Na ni nsem obo no. Obo ma na jiji chain speakers no. Wonim say enei waji award be mienu wo semiensa. Abro fufura brochi abema na award. On friend Minister Clapper.
Minister Clapper. Ono na doma chede no.
That's it. Di nyame di atom no. Mahwe abrantie bi YouTube Nigeria ni ofra no ho Aboki. Na we comedian. Ono ne comedy no. O link no to Christosom. Enti asore dem Nigeria baby owo no. Edu baby a oma ono yete se ono na preach. Na what the comedy no. Ne nsem obeka ne niema obeye no. My goodness. E the youth abegu asore ho. En sorry dia wo ye no. En sorry dia na nkuntia Christosom. Enne bisa se enti asore no so makwai. Masa niema no emonwura asore no. Abra epeja nyankopon ene asafo no na enkuntia Christosom. Na ene ya ha no sani besi aye no jini.
Okay.
The last now for ye lines no because there's can messages no.
Any just them say talent bia no nyankopon na dema. For some only talent or the bema.
That's right.
Talent.
That's right.
Na ade abako ni say for some cunning. And I say oye smart.
That's
right. Enti no ono de nyankopon edema no. No so afa no afa de afa ne kwan so. No de ye de opese o de ye. Enti no se eba enyom to bibia talent bia no nyankopon edema. Enti no me hu ni say talent bia wo asase so bia no ebetimi aboa apija nyamedi. Se enyom to omo to other secular music ni ade no. Even what they do say you can say omo to abrabo mu nyom omo to enyom bi hono ma utia abrabo mu na etufo nso etufo pa afenso so ye hwe even omo a sa kwan omo owo sa kwan so no ye hu ni say even bonsam na pese bia ono so efa sa talent nyankopon dia man sa ni pakro no e de ye de ono so pese o de ye.
Wow.
Enti no me hu ni say talent bia was asase so talent bia so for enti ye fa ni say Messi ye wa sorry ba na Messi ni footballers
nipa kura be fa so ba sorry na be ho wa ye wa talent within the church and talent outside the church.
Yes.
But talent outside the church mostly it is obi onuma aduane no.
Yeah.
What you say ye ba sorry wa ye menu aduane wo kokosi ada. Nanso wa sorry no ma onuma aduane no. Na bia na ye domestic ni betima be commercial.
Yeah.
What you say? It is sometimes bia ye preacher ana ye ya ade bia e wo se ye ya ade ni twafa ho nyina de onso numa aduane no na o ye ma ni kunu nko na edie no. Ni kunu na mfo no no. So na ya boa no mo so ne talent na ye aduane no ano. Watimi de pia bonte ni watimi aye restaurant bi. Na ne mara no so na asofo nko na didi woni nkofo bebere didi ho.
So simple.
No. Me ma me ba ku oya na o tai kan asem bi say dwumadie bia wudi no. E wo se wo de sofodie e ka ho.
That's right.
Se wo ye doctor, wo se wo se wo ye doctor pastor. Wo ye teacher, wo se wo ye teacher pastor. Wo ye footballer, wo se wo ye footballer pastor.
Wow.
Nti baby a wo bia no.
Wow.
I say Christo e dey wo ho. Enti no so we footballer kra na. Wo hwe so crowd and I say nipa Accra footballer bi betimi a twema nyame.
One kasa ukura area no talent no betimi dia kini pa. Ewura asafo no aba Kristo mu.
Ye hwe doctor nipa dodo a fa doctor nsem. Ye hwe nipa dodo a fa doctor nsem. We police ni a nipa dodo a fa ho no. Baby bia office bia no. Nipa dodo a fa ho no. Sunday cramp sorry they say bia e fa say Sunday.
That's right. That's right.
Baby bia me who say talent bia nyanko.
Ye fa say Messi wo Ghana ha ye say Messi wo kwa asoro we. Ofi say dey na besi.
Na crusade be Messi organize crusade bia na.
So for
O Messi mi a twe football school wura ho.
Serious.
Amo ma me Christopher. Say wo no wo ye very talented wiase nyina obi anim no. Na wiase ya no obi anim say football dey ye nuro ye we no dey. Wo so oni ho di Christosom na ye ne dey. Wo nyima duro nim hwe. Ye Christosom ne training. Na wo so okwa asori we. Na wonu akasa ne PS ni busa na eye den wo bo wo fa ne say wo ye ne den say eye asori eye nyankopon na say na me hwa another social media another person Samuel Fori guy bi Kumasi ni bi na o kan say bi o say ase wiki kura ma he o say wo atena se adwen wan wo say star bi ani ba bia obi ani wo ye star ba ko pe ani Kristo ono ne ye wo no ansunuma ebe si na tifi enti upo bi o star enya wo mo yisi ni wo menye star so wo menya hwe eye Kristo Yesu nko na ye star and I was shocked say me take that statement efri no what you say Gabriel Kwache wa timeline no so Freddy also about timeline no so yes streaming live for Facebook Akuma 87.9 FM Akuma 87.9 FM just say jumadi na ye de me ya ye say ase ye mu a friend say papa bi ewo minim kwan me fa so amenya papa no ne nwom ne bi o friend seprewa bi a o mampanyi bi besuaya ya ne friend man ne bobo I say fo no go gi no a o ma ye no so I say guitar bi ade no o hye bo ha na wo bon sa my goodness me wunu so wo ba ade na chese bibi ya ye ene nsem a wo ka no ene ade no you say yes to me be the chiri now what the sad any be because Bible said David know what instruments about 400 just say separate instruments na wonya kopon fi and David know then in boni nyina what you say a friend say idea boy a friend say xylophone and yes sax xylophone yeah I say in pampro say to join what from bono is in for part use sad no. Oh my goodness. Hey, omo modernize no pa. Omo the mics are to ase. Na ye bom pa out say yes. Na be twi enema. And so ya twi ye say, woni nyina no eye eni kwanse wura. Na obi wo ho nyansa obi wo ho nimde nyame de adom no a eboa ma etimi pagya asafo no ediru pempezu obi. O nyina ye yi wa akwa. Wo wa bonde. Minim instrumentalism APC those days on the ball organ yam was no money ade the only the here say for organ business APC or ball organ to say organ on the year what are we doing and what ben ye dey bua mabunu no lady bi so on so I say nsuo be ya one of the am so a computer engineer or baby say mo hunu a okasa o say lady bi oh Jesus Christ everyone say mo hunu oba that's why a computer engineer massa enye easy oh enti ye besere asore no ne asafo no ye momodin na ne ma pa bi wo mrante ne maba wo no ne yentimi put value on that eye sika sem de twase ye de boa wo ba bi on beda de on bedi de on be hye de on be fura de on be nom asafo no fanto wo ho so na ye moa ne enso mabunu no ma ne mema ni mu so ye wo enipa ne bi wo asesi am ne wo ka sei wo mo ye tutu adwuma nanso so wo akoma passes asafo betimi aso no mu a obejai
Nra na me na plaza area where on 9:30 young girl very young girl me we hoy
obi wo a enya ne pen wode ye o
lady be say what dress decent enti me say ebia no de onka ho but me koye memory house ni wi a me sa betwem na still sport na no gina no ho anu no gina nti ma me realize no o mo bi but we dress very decent ama jacket ni na wa she bi enu John am say oh Jesus
yeah messages because baby lines this ya check ya fa messages na sana ya hwe ya be lines no was say memamwache osi oman mu obia nu a wo koma mabunu obia onye obia nyam nya atwonsem ti obia ntimi nyina nim se meko ama mabunu na yaboa mabunu ni yaboa yapagya mabunu no amoma timi aduru ba bi mom de adwumaden atimi apagya wo ho so nyankopon wo mo aye efre no Nana Safo kwamo DBS kwamo Nana Safo kwamo DBS ena wodi we bae yehwe messages in the kinkana was it papa memwache oye Eric your friend Eric inside esisiriwa was it the nyankopon asese wodi kosiada sonko asa adum yembio nyankopon onkoso na omfa na dum sonko na omfa enum ye nyina na omwaye your messages no na ye kinkana na afi yaba your friend say course no so ya fa course ni bi o say me chiam mamwache your friend KG boy o twefri kumawu body ase o say nani jidwumadi ho pa no pe woni nyina na enjoy together na ochia your friend say a teacher for nyina omo kumawu constituency a teacher for nyina ochia omo nyina any students say what Arts Media Training Institute ochia omo nyina enti we dey ode buy no wamfa anu ane high wamfa bibia ene number obi su di audio bi aba yemhwe se ampa se audio no se
Osofo fore onyame shirawo ewo nyuma uye ho papa nyame shirawo omawu kwantenten mesi ehwapoye ehwatoye ehwanafo for when you see the way no so na kuko wanimara emabunu ye enti oma wunyini ema wo kwantenten mesra wo se wo ma usni matu sala onyamishra nyame akwa sofofori we minister kese
wow
ta Johnson
wow oh
for Christ Israel na mabunu nyoma betimi di bia by football I remember say me youth leaders organize football gala edebam na me see mabunu pa no mo kwa sorry over 30 just a week ye di football evangelism 30 be go asori nim ebere so ye na organize fofora aso empanimfo say ball ni nyamesom de ebabura enhia na nyankopon football. See the kind of mentality. You're getting say what time Bible, no I share tie, or book why you share kwabonjono, and I'll be to my dream of book, and I basso.
Wow, nyankopon ni makuma, and then I may come in a pee. Say me wa hay sofo. Me catch it out say nyame do mi sika pa me football team. I'm telling you. Your friend say Nkofoi Academy. I'm telling you. I'm a footballer myself and I love football. Baby that dream on say football you home we are say. Anya no correct. Entertainment, exercise. Juma will be so no. And then be that friend say talent outside the church. Masa Adentini adwini ye say obi bobolo wo so tu adurance saa nso na kire say obi su bobolo a obetima ya dai edi Kristo abobo minimum de kurunti etisa say Christosum de ani football here e fa na boy ye bonsa maduma yemye lines no betima baso hello yes papa o frefie ni afro say akosi apia mpacho ntem so ne yenko
don't believe what I'm going to say. Now, go
ayene
Now, if you are not going sorry. If you are stable, so they can see the problem like that. If you say so hard, what can actually maybe? If it's a political about the political area, and then you put in the blow on that, if you are Kasa, you are making no more. If you are a better position, if you are following the plan, absolutely, if you say that we're not to get a rest of the cigar, or so many of them or so young. If you can not even or so
anya di owo na na ho hima eye wo mo ti ase amen obejina hello yes bore mayanka constituency bore manenko
Daddy, about the good. About the different show.
Amen.
I said that with the movie that we say, not a way of the own. Oh, I think it's any time credit out of the government. You the point it does.
Yo, Mati. Mati. Hello.
You are in the town.
NS Dugan. Officer Samaka. Manenko.
And imagine I care in the John. I like to get my name. My money not right. So, and I do not survive. None for great country, as I didn't go. The party of your grandma.
But
it was the survive.
But
and she was not done by an event. What were before? And before the media, you don't know a secret party that I know you have a defect. I didn't know you're strong. If you don't know the castle, we are branching and about what we show. Now, what do we need to pass? If I know you have continued to know the other to go to the class of you. The one that was not to be my one, I'm more bra. So, you're the kind you. There's so many bad ones where to overflow. And you come here, that means you obey you. I'm that.
Mati. Namisha, hello.
Good morning. I said, I don't think
yɛde dwumadi ne ba na bi enti ɛyɛ friend say mama mo last words na afi yɛnko ɛnɛ kyɛ sɛ ɛnɛ ano ayɛ den ne ano ayɛ den papa obi abasoma me fada hello
so for my chair
ya me de
we dey metre we kire bifie mi ho na me dey nhyehyɛ bi atumi ni so a me dey bo mmadu a ɛwɔ Ghana titiri wo mo amowo base
yɛ friend say na afi fi
mi bi nusa obi sɛ Bernard asante ni ayi na ɔmo nyina ni
yɛ friend nusa
nusa
we dey na
ni gonja ni
oh okay awom dagwa ne
ni die
I won't that one.
I won't cry.
Okay.
Now, so what would they be used to that at them?
My humpa.
Martina West Africa country degree.
Okay.
Ghana, baby can you mean correct? You couldn't write to me. And then Solomon Kasa, I lose culture. Culture, I did a flop culture, a near solitude. If you are broken as someone, and then Yami and a small, and we don't use you bread. The use you bread, and that's a marbre.
Yeah.
Ocean Yami, Usam Anyame, or the boy you can know we are. You can't come with them, and then you have to me a man and voila. Bausha Ghana, ya lusi culture, amadi ya bata. Obia, yeni akola. Obia, penny answer the penny that wakola. Every day, akola answer the penny of wakola.
Yes, you know, sir. The time no one.
Method of a studio,
Mati. Oba also you just so full. Why? Me that's it. Let's call her. Me uncle. In terms of the first and hello. Oh, Nana Monko.
Okay,
Romeo ba.
So for madam for be a yankopon friend no to say or a prophet. Or kind of story I would say abra na Osuano and I need be a call youth service of course sorry any ade and okay say brand dimachine yanko.
Okay.
Now okay be a uncle and I did catch and say oh honum there your pon sorry be na yedidi o the reason one has abobo aka ho.
Wow.
Eno no ana e train ko e ti o ko e that is Sunday bia kwesi de bia okọ enim one ode hu Nyankopon wan say o ye prophet.
Wow.
Nti no mestre say en sorry no ye besre na ye mfa san nyema wa nyina enhyehyɛ asafonim na ebetumi atwe akra.
I'm telling you, na ama ye yi mrantian maba wa no a wo mo bobo na dwena firi nuro so.
Yes.
Na dwen say ball no just duro, which is wrong. Now last words na fi.
The person me catch us of nyina. So mu hu say nya sorry dem nko na etwa akra. Baby you are given the opportunity to. Yen ye tondu, yen na mabontin no be can problem try. The problem no catch you straight out to me catch you straight matter. Ade okwa sorry be. Onko asori ana. Start okwa asori. Start okwa asori. Mama do be we. No start ya account because if you are problem na spiritual. And I manifest it physically. Woman do no na okoye ho adwuma e wa asori dem ka ho. That's all. Obey free. When ya kwenya say oni obi kasa kanyame asem kire ni pakro. Ni na heaven nti e ma kwenya na mmabunu no so omo exhibit nyoma Nyankopon de ache omo. Their God given talent. Na emwa ma Kristo so menkoso asori ni na emwa Kristo. That's it.
Nyankopon hira mo papa. Misi ya me champion from Osofofuri. Up next, DJ Romeo. Wow, Romeo. Me say, enche, at the youth, you know, any criminality. And after prison, you can't in a boom. Youth, you know, Jume Dio Mudian near my quiet fast where mom could be a fiasse. You better pay fiasse pen for meaning bidara. Let's say, because Central Prison have got 5 voices and so be my quiet moment day. You know, friends say, image if only be a baha. You know what to check, come on. Enya senketu akura koso ati akoma efam na munti ene aba ye woni ma papa mo akoma efam da yakoma so Nyankopon so die kam ye frem osofofuru na djumade ho chia me ena na akira ho mache eye juada ho mache ubate menka won kwanche bre eso enti koso ati nyamenya so die kam no mfam fura do nkwado meti ya mi wie ya me free ya me kwa asori ya no enti boabo ho na ye nhia wa asori Nyankopon wo nhia mo se uni asori ko na pese oni mo kosoma from number 0544 041150 0544 041150 and then my issue to say and answer to akura my say wo enkwai mo no na wotwe mu memenda memedi edi anum ya na awurade adom me odi afia ka memfie ho anya mfinhia aduonum wotwe 58 brim na awurade di adom me Yakopo wucha waya adio
Utie Akroma FM.
anetuada